Guys, so really Teddy. So today I will be showing you a build I did. So here's the value. I'll show you real quick. Oh, okay, so let's review. So obviously, as a garage, you can see this place. But here is the CG and all that. And I did not cover the updates because honestly, I'm so busy this month. Also, I'm recording this at 4:22 a.m. So, but here's a little stove. Those stoves they have now. Also have filet. Sorry, I just have grill, blender, and a fridge. The ugly one. Well, more like the freezer kind. We do have a little camping area. We have a hammock. I love these things, but when you get off, he needs to fix that. It's really hard to get up. Well, it's not really hard. So here's, honestly, I got inspired by Nessie Plays, but yeah, for this little area. So here we have some food, because everybody loves food. And if you don't, I don't know who you are. Someone's over here doing the honesty test. So we got some plants, stuff. Um, pillow, a bay window. Um, fireplace, all the, simple living, a tissue box. I don't know what came with the table. I just decided to do that because of the. We got tons of books, my worst nightmare. Um, got some bench, got some chips, a lamp that I still haven't painted, but I don't care about. Um, so yeah, like ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, that just came to mind. And, well, wait, we're not building it. Hot sauce. Ingredients, microwave, blah blah. And here's like a little overview. I need to make more milkshakes, but I thought that was cool. Um, Pencils, just some classic stuff. I got a home. Oh while I'm climbing it, so yeah, just some quick. Um, I'm closing the chat. So, blah blah, cake, delicious cake. Some cups. Here's a jukebox. Okay, so here we just have a guest bathroom. I did add a shower because there's only one bathroom, but for guests and stuff. Here is kind of just like a closet. So when you walk in, you have a hat rack, and you also have these. Here is the dining table. I decided to add a TV like my second recent house, um, because I thought it was cool. So in the morning, like you can watch the news, you know, some. There's a lot of TVs in real life. You can have that. A hook, of course, for like jackets and hats. A cute little desk, plain and simple. And you do have a view of the backyard, but people can't stalk you. So if you're in a bad mood and your parents want to watch over you, they can literally see from your room. Um, so yeah, we have that. A door to the garage. Clock. And then we have my office. And I I just realized that actually looks better. In build mode, it looks so crappy. Just let you know. So back here we have speakers. I did use the new checkered blanket for this. Got a trash can that's going through. Lovely. Um, books. I don't know what to put there yet. Computer. So we go up. My little play area. So yeah. Then in here you have my desk. By the way, I forgot to mention my best friend Kayla Kayla, whatever you want to call her, did help me with this. She very much did this whole room. So yeah, technically this whole floor. Um, so we got a trash can, desk. I only did like these two rooms and a chair. Uh, but yeah, so we just have those things. Um, this will be one of my best houses yet, by the way. But yeah, we have those. I don't know what she did there, but whatever. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I can't find this one. Wait a second. So yeah, I just put some books up here. It was really hard to do. Honestly, you're a kid, you could probably fit your way back there, but I don't know how you'd get out. Here, she did the shelf, I just did those two things. So, yeah, she did do those. And we have, sorry, I had to look at something. So over here we have, I guess like a vanity makeup area. I love what she did with the stars and stuff. Like, I don't know how she did this. So freaking well. But all I can say is, um, the only thing I'm mad about is when people put the high stool with the stool instead of the normal chair. So I do have to fix that. But it's okay. Here we have the bed. She did the colors. I just did detail. Um, and then actually no, I did the colors. What is it? So yeah, some night lights. She got I love the fan, and I did the couch too. Looks really good. She did the carpet, this, that, and she placed this table here. And I was like, I don't want a random table, so I just decided to throw a TV on it, and and you do know how sometimes people do have TVs on the side instead of the window. So I decided to go with that. I have my brother used to, so here we have the bathroom. Pretty simple. All around that and together. Um, 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 um. I hear something weird. So I'm scared because I'm watching my flash. That scared me really. So here we have the black and white room. She did do this whole room. And I'm proud of her. Oh god, I just realized she used a computer. That's my mind. So I guess this is more like the teen bedroom. Um, but yeah, she did do cute. I like that she actually added a candle. I didn't realize that. Oh yeah. Um, so yeah, this one was kind of a surprise for me, honestly. But it's freaking adorable. Yeah, obviously, here we have Rose. Here's the princess room. I'm not proud of it, and I get it, so don't worry. Like, yeah, I'm not that proud of it. She added the hearts and the little thing. Um, so yeah. And I did give her 40K to work with, but it's only because I trusted her. Um, so yeah, we do have this, or this. This is like my friend's room, and I have a lot of friends that live here, so I decided to do this. And over here we have the bathroom, which is pretty simple. I decided to do yellow, so, but yeah, it's simple, it's neat. Um, so yeah, I wouldn't say build is completely done. I am going to plan to make a pool and maybe a gazebo, but I need lots of money for that. But, alright, so, make sure you sub. And, that was okay. Bye, my pandas. Alright, bye my pandas. Hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry I haven't been that active. Um, but yeah, enjoy the video. Bye.